Hi there, it's Miss Mason here, and for our art lesson today, we're going to be practicing how to make lines. For our art lesson today, you will need a piece of paper and something to write with. Today, I'm going to be using some markers. I'm going to choose a blue marker to practice writing some lines. The first line that we want to practice is a vertical line. A vertical line starts at the top and goes down to the bottom. We make some short lines all the way across our paper. This also looks like the number 1 or a lowercase l. Let's practice making some vertical lines. Start at the top, go down to the bottom. Start at the top, down to the bottom. Practice making some vertical lines with me. Start at the top, down to the bottom. Start at the top, go down, all the way across your piece of paper. Start at the top and go down. Start at the top and go down. Make sure that when you're writing, you start at the left side and move all the way to the right side. Now we're going to practice a new type of line. This type of line is called horizontal. To make a horizontal line, you start at the left side and go all the way to the right side. We're going to make short horizontal lines, one on top of another. Start at the left, move to the right. Start at the left, move to the right. Then I've filled up my spaces here. I'm going to go to the left and make some more horizontal lines. Start at the left, move to the right. Start at the left, move to the right. Notice how I left some space. That's a finger space. There's enough space there for me to put my finger. Let's continue making some horizontal lines. Leave a finger space. Start at the left, move to the right. Start at the left, move to the right. Start at the left, move to the right. We're going to practice making 3 more. Let me see how you make horizontal lines. Very good. Now we're going to make another type of line. This is called a slanted line. The first type of slant is going to start at the left side and go down. Notice how it's not straight. This is slanted. Let's try a few more. Slanted. Start at the left, slant down to the bottom. Notice how it's not straight. It's a little tilted to the side. All right, we're going to make one more slanted line. Now we're going to try slanting the other way. This time we're going to start at the left side on the bottom and go up to the right side at the top. Start at the left side on the bottom and go up to the top. Slant all the way up. Start at the bottom, up to the top. Start at the bottom, up to the top. Let's try one more. Start at the bottom, slant up to the top. Very good job. Now the last line that we're going to make is a curved line. I'm going to start at the top and curve all the way around, almost to make the letter C. Can you try making the letter C with me? You're going to start a little bit over towards the right, and you're going to curve around to the bottom and bring it back in. It's not a full circle or an oval. You leave a gap here. Let's try another one. Start at the right side, curve into the left, down to the bottom, and bring it back up. Let's try one more. Start at the left or at the right side, curve it back to the left, bring it down and back up. Now let's curve the other way. This time we're going to start at the left side and you're going to make a big curve to the right. Bring it all the way around and don't close it. Ready? Start at the left side, curve it to the right, bring it down and all the way up. Start at the right or at the left side, curve it around to the right, bring it down and back up. Awesome job! Your paper should look just like mine. Remember, we have vertical lines, which start at the top and go straight down. We have horizontal lines that start at the left side and go over to the right side. We have slanted lines to the right that start at the left and go down to the right, and slanted lines that go to the left. We start at the left and go up towards the right. And then we have a left curve and a right curve. I can't wait to see all the different types of curves that you can make by showing me on Flipgrid. I hope you learned lots about how to make some different kinds of lines today.